Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Breadcrumbs section. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Breadcrumbs section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, navigate to the product page. Then select Templates and locate the Breadcrumbs section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the product page. Select Templates and choose the Breadcrumbs section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Breadcrumbs, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Breadcrumbs section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Under Show Social Sharing Icons On, you can control where the social sharing icons are displayed on your store. Desktop icons will appear only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile icons will appear only on mobile devices. Both icons will be visible across all devices for maximum reach. You can also manage each social sharing icon individually, allowing you to fully customize what appears on your site. Each icon can be turned on or off based on your preference and marketing needs. Facebook. Share product pages directly on Facebook. Messenger. Enable sharing through Facebook Messenger. X. Twitter. Allow quick sharing on X, formerly Twitter. Pinterest. Share visually on Pinterest boards. WhatsApp. Share instantly via WhatsApp chats. LinkedIn. Share on professional networks. Reddit. Post content to Reddit communities. Email. Allow users to share via email. Simply toggle each option on to display the icon or off to hide it from your storefront. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the Breadcrumbs section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. And that's it! Your Breadcrumbs section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.